All right, here lately on the channel, there's been quite a few people asking me how dangerous paramotoring is. Let's get up into the air and discuss that. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. As I said previously, there's been several people asking me here lately, how dangerous is paramotoring? Well, in this episode, we're going to go over the top 5 hazards and dangers of paramotoring. Make sure to stay till the end and make sure to like and subscribe. I try to work pretty hard on some of these videos to bring you guys good information. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So the top 5 topics that I'm going to cover are water landings, ground starting, low-level maneuvers, bad weather, and equipment failure. Water landings can result in drowning. Do not take the risk. If you have to fly over water, make sure to have flotation and a chase boat. Always let people know where you are in case something happens. Topic number 2 is ground starting. Although some people will tell you it is fine to ground start, it is absolutely not. If your motor gets stuck on full throttle, it will run into you, resulting in shredding limbs or worse. Always strap into your motor before starting and never, ever ground start. Topic number 3 is low-level maneuvers. Once you have several flights under your belt, it is very easy to get complacent and try maneuvers that are beyond your skill level. However, the risk significantly increases when you have an audience and you decide to try these maneuvers low to the ground. If you have a collapse, it can result in you coming into contact with the ground. Always try new maneuvers with plenty of altitude to throw your reserve. All right, the 4th topic I'm going to talk about is bad weather. Weather can be a killer, but with all the technology that we have at our disposal, we can almost always eliminate getting caught off guard. I always look at windy blue and windy red before flying. It shows winds and gusts at the ground level as well as winds aloft. Never get caught off guard. All right, the 5th and final topic that I'm going to talk about here is equipment failure. Although extremely rare and last on my list, equipment failure can happen. You should always perform a good pre-flight check to eliminate any problems with gear. In summary, paramotors are extremely safe. Statistically, they are safer than driving a motorcycle down the road. Everything that I have covered in this video can be 100% avoidable. With the right steps taken, I'm not saying to avoid all risks, but make sure to mitigate it and have fun. We are only on this earth for a short amount of time. So stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Blue skies. Hope you enjoy the rest of my flight. Take care.